No. Okay, Emily's over. And it's me, Het Boo.
You got a cut on your elbow.
What? What?
Here.
Why? See? How'd that happen? When?
I don't know, but
And you got a cut on you. Oh my god, what is going on? We're gonna die. No. Do you do pizza? This is our motivation pizza for our screamo. No. Don't laugh at my laugh. And Cam's not over here because he's a butt and he's waiting for his cousin and he said he's not gonna go blah, 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 and he's rambling on and he won't. Oh! I need something to drink. I'm gonna get us something to drink. Theo.
Oh.
Theo.
I can't do it.
Try it.
I can't do it. Oh. Okay.
Go like this. And then it'd be like, oh.
Okay, I got it. You gotta delete this, because I just got something on my teeth. Delete that one.
Say, oh. 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 Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye, bye, bye.